Well, I'm back. I thought I'd do a real quick video on how to adjust your interior lights in a Chevy Silverado. I'm using a 2016 Chevy Silverado, but I think most of the later models work pretty close to the same way. So let me show you real quickly how this is done. Okay, right in front of your mirror you have a couple of buttons right here. I call these map lights, you can call them, but if you push this, you'll see a light comes on. You also have one on the other side that you can push and the light comes on. Also, you have a switch right here, and you got three positions. You got off, you have door, and you have on. Now, if you leave this in the off position, if you open the door, nothing will happen. Just all the lights will stay off. Now, this is where I leave my right here. I leave mine in the middle position, which is door. Now, I'm going to open the door, and when I open the door, as you can see, the lights are on. Okay, there's one more position up here. It's the on position. If you're just going down the road and you need to turn your lights on, you can just push right there, and as you can see, the lights are on. Okay, I'm going to turn that back off. Also, in the back, you also have another couple of switches, just like in the front. You have these map lights. You have a light switch right there. You have a light switch right there. That's for the people in the back seat if they need a light, maybe to read something with, but they can turn them on. Well, I hope this helped you out, kind of give you a little overview of the lighting in these Chevy Silverados. So if it helped you out, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, catch you later.